When you cross the age of 60, people start telling you to slow down, to take it easy, to accept the so-called signs of aging as an unchangeable truth. You start hearing words like frail, weak, and fragile, as if growing older means growing smaller, dimmer, and less capable. But what if that story is all wrong? What if you've been told a lie about aging, and the truth is, your body is still capable of rebuilding, regenerating, and growing stronger than it's ever been? What if the key to keeping your strength, balance, and independence isn't in a cup of bone broth or an expensive supplement, but in something much simpler, something powerful enough to fight sarcopenia, that silent thief that steals muscle as we age? Sarcopenia is not destiny. It's a warning, but it's also a challenge. It's your body whispering, feed me right, move me right, believe in me again. You see, after 60, muscle isn't just about looking toned or feeling fit. It's your armor, your stability, your mobility, your independence. Every muscle fiber is a thread that keeps your life vibrant, active, and free. Lose it, and you lose confidence, balance, and even a piece of your spirit. But regain it, rebuild it, and something magical happens. Life opens up again. You walk taller, you breathe deeper, you feel alive in your own skin again. So when you hear people talk about bone broth as the miracle solution for aging, pause for a moment. Bone broth might soothe your soul, but it won't rebuild your muscles. It's a comfort food, not a construction tool. What your body truly needs now is high-quality muscle-building protein, not just any protein, but one that's easy to digest, rich in amino acids, and proven to reverse muscle loss. I'm talking about the incredible power of leucine-rich proteins, found in foods like eggs, cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, lentils, and fish. These are not just foods. They are signals to your body, telling it to rebuild, to regenerate, to grow. When you start your morning with a protein-rich meal, you're sending a message to your cells. Wake up. It's time to build. Imagine waking up one morning, looking in the mirror, and feeling strength returning to your body. Not the kind you had in your 20s, but a new kind of strength, wiser, calmer, more grounded. You start your day with a meal that truly feeds you: scrambled eggs with spinach, a scoop of Greek yogurt with berries, or a smoothie made with plant-based protein, chia seeds, and almond milk. You sip it slowly, knowing that each bite is rebuilding you from the inside. This isn't dieting. This isn't restriction. This is nourishment. And nourishment is power. Now you might be thinking, is it too late for me? Can I really rebuild muscle at my age? The answer is a loud, undeniable yes. Science has proven that people in their 70s, even 80s, can gain muscle and strength with the right nutrition and movement. Your muscles respond to resistance at any age. Every time you lift, push, or even stand with purpose, your body remembers. It remembers how to grow. It remembers how to heal. The only thing standing between you and strength is belief. Belief that it's possible. Belief that you deserve it. Belief that it's not too late. So forget bone broth. Forget the myths. Focus on the foods that fuel your cells: lean proteins, colourful vegetables, omega-rich fish, and plenty of hydration. Every meal is a chance to rewrite your story. Every bite is a chance to tell your body, I'm not done yet. And when you pair this nourishment with gentle, consistent movement, you start to feel it. The shift, the awakening. You don't need heavy weights or grueling workouts. You just need consistency. A daily 20-minute walk, some light resistance training with bands or small dumbbells, and mindful stretching can transform your body and mind. Start small. Stand tall. Take a deep breath and move with intention. Remember, movement isn't punishment, it's celebration. When you lift your arms, when you bend your knees, when you rise from a chair without help, that's not just exercise. That's independence training. That's you saying, I'm still strong. I still matter. Because you do. You matter more than ever. Sarcopenia may sound like a scary word, but it's simply the loss of muscle mass with age. And while most people think it's inevitable, it's absolutely reversible. The secret lies in the right combination of nutrition and lifestyle, a daily commitment to feeding your body what it needs and reminding your mind that it's capable of change. The food that truly rebuilds your muscles isn't found in a trendy superfood list or an expensive powder. It's found in your kitchen, waiting for you to rediscover it. Eggs, beans, salmon, tofu, chicken, lentils, and dairy are your allies. They're your builders. Combine them with the power of vitamin D, magnesium, and healthy fats, and you give your body the perfect environment to thrive again. And as your muscles strengthen, something even more powerful happens. Your spirit strengthens too. You start to feel hope again, energy again, pride again. You realize that aging doesn't mean decline, it means refinement. It's your second chapter, your chance to live differently, live consciously, live gratefully. You stop chasing youth and start embracing vitality. You stop worrying about the number on your birth certificate and start focusing on the fire in your heart. This journey isn't about vanity, it's about vitality. It's about living without fear of falling, standing up without help, carrying your groceries, playing with your grandchildren, walking upstairs without gasping for air. It's about owning your body again at every age, in every stage. And when you eat right, move right, and think right, you create a harmony that ripples through every part of your life. Let's talk about mindset, because none of this works without it. Your thoughts shape your actions, and your actions shape your body. If you believe you're too old to change, your body will follow that story. But if you believe in renewal, if you wake up each day with gratitude and purpose, your body will respond. It will rise to the challenge. It will adapt. You have to see yourself as capable, not limited. Your brain is listening to every word you say about yourself. So speak strength. Speak power. Speak possibility. Every morning, look at yourself in the mirror and say, I am rebuilding. I am strong. My best years are not behind me. They're happening right now. Because that's the truth. The human body is resilient beyond measure. Even after years of neglect or injury, it can rebuild. Even after you've been told you're too old, you can prove them wrong. You can defy expectations. You can become the strongest version of yourself at 60, 70, or even 80. So what's this food that builds muscle and ends sarcopenia? It's not bone broth. It's not some exotic powder. It's real, whole, protein-rich food, balanced with colourful vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. It's the plate that gives you life, not the one that just fills your stomach. And when you combine that with hydration, sunlight, and movement, your entire physiology begins to shift. Your metabolism wakes up, your energy returns, your posture straightens, your confidence grows. And it's not just physical. The emotional transformation is equally profound. You start feeling proud of yourself again. You realise you're not fragile, you're fierce. You're not fading, you're evolving. You're rewriting what it means to be over 60. You're showing the world that age is not a limitation. It's an advantage. You have wisdom, patience, and perspective, and now you're adding power to that list. Make your kitchen your laboratory of strength. Make your walks your meditation. Make your mornings your time of renewal. You don't need to chase youth, but you need to nourish life. And the moment you start doing that, you'll feel it. Your steps become lighter, your heart beats steadier, your muscles begin to respond. You'll feel the spark return, not because of magic, but because you chose to believe in yourself again. And let's talk about sleep. That quiet healer that most people underestimate. When you rest well, your body rebuilds muscle, repairs cells, and resets your hormones. It's not just about getting hours of sleep, it's about quality sleep. So turn off the screens, lower the lights, and let your body drift into recovery. Pair that with mindfulness, deep breathing, gratitude journaling, or simply sitting quietly, and you begin to feel centered again. Hydration, too, is your silent partner. Muscles need water to function, to contract, to heal. A hydrated body is an energized body, so keep a glass of water by your side throughout the day. Every sip is a small act of self-care, a promise to stay alive, aware, and connected to your body. And don't underestimate joy. Joy is nutrition too. Laugh often. Spend time with people who lift you. Step into the sunlight. Music, laughter, nature. These are as essential as vitamins and minerals. Because when your heart is light, your body follows. When you smile more, your stress hormones drop, your immune system strengthens, your blood pressure stabilizes. Joy heals in ways science is only beginning to understand. So yes, eat your protein, move your body, but also feed your soul. That's the real formula for defeating sarcopenia. The food is the foundation, but your mindset and emotions are the architecture. Together they create resilience, physical and mental. And that's what real longevity looks like. Not just living longer, but living stronger, freer and happier. Picture this, it's a year from now. You're standing in front of a mirror, and your reflection tells a new story. You're stronger, your clothes fit better, you move with confidence, you feel years younger, not because you turned back time, but because you took control of it. You didn't wait for motivation, you created it. You didn't accept decline, you reversed it. You became your own hero. That's the power of belief combined with the right fuel. That's the strength that comes when you choose action over excuses, nourishment over comfort, movement over stillness. And it starts today, not tomorrow. Today is your turning point. Today is the day you stop sipping bone broth and start feeding your body what it truly needs to thrive. Your body is not betraying you. It's waiting for you. Waiting for your decision, your attention, your care. It's waiting for you to remember how powerful you are. Aging doesn't mean losing your fire. It means fanning it differently. It means living smarter, more intentionally, more joyfully. So take that first step today. Cook that protein-rich meal. Take that walk. Stretch your arms. Breathe deeply. Smile. Because every small step you take is rewriting your future. You're not too old to build muscle. You're not too old to change. You're not too old to feel powerful again. The science is clear, but more importantly, the stories are real. Thousands of people over 60 have rebuilt their bodies and regained their energy simply by changing how they eat, move, and think. You can be one of them. Your journey starts now, not with bone broth, but with real, vibrant food that gives your body the tools to rebuild strength from the inside out. When you nourish your body with the right foods, you're not just building muscle, you're building momentum. And momentum creates transformation. Every morning you choose movement. Every bite you choose nourishment. Every word you choose kindness. You are sculpting a new version of yourself. You are becoming the proof that it's never too late to thrive. So rise up. Open your heart to change. Let go of the myths that hold you back. You have everything you need, the strength, the wisdom, the willpower. And remember this truth. You don't age because you stop growing. You stop growing because you stop believing. Start believing again. Feed your body. Move with love. Think with gratitude. And watch how your world transforms. This isn't the end of your story. It's the most powerful chapter yet. You've survived, learned, endured, and grown. Now it's time to thrive. Forget the bone broth. Choose the food that builds muscle. Choose the habits that build strength. Choose the mindset that builds life. Because over 60 doesn't mean over, it means unstoppable. Your journey starts today. Let's make it the strongest, healthiest, and most inspiring chapter of your life.